Alright, next up on the FJ, a little bit of maintenance actually. Yes. First thing to ever fail on the FJ, and it's just a little bit of rubber. Yeah, as you can see. Not good. And that's because basically this side of the vehicle is facing, well, the sun's over the other side now because it's evening. But it's basically facing the sun for a lot of the day, and that's bloody hot in Arizona, so not good for rubber. So as you can see, this is basically just disintegrated. It's alright the other side. And while we're waiting for the new weather strip to come in, I took the opportunity to clean the car. Yeah, look at that, no more dog gob anywhere. Well, I mean, obviously traces, and that's about as good as it gets on the seats, I'm afraid. That's not bad. This material in the middle is brilliant. All the hair comes off completely. Not so much with that, but that's as good as it gets. And of course, while we're waiting, you've got time to subscribe down here somewhere and give the video the thumbs up. Anyway, this is what this looks like after cleaning the car. Yeah, because this is completely knackered, I've torn off the actual rubber, and we can see the fitting there, that chrome strip. Apparently we got to gently get a screwdriver or plastic tool under there and lever out these clips. See that one there? There's three of them, there's one in the middle somewhere and one at the other end. And just in case you hadn't thought of it already, a quick fix for this would be some duct tape. Yeah, because the window doesn't open. Well, two popped out, one didn't. Yeah, so you got to be careful when you're doing this with the screwdriver, because of course you're getting close to the window there and you don't want to break that. So when we get the new ones, it should just be a question of Mary. Yeah, Mary Poppins should just pop in. And on the subject of weather, while I was doing rubber bits, I got myself some new windscreen wipers, and for the first time they don't actually make a noise. They're really nice. No scratching or scraping, and I don't mean through age and deterioration in the Arizona sun. All the windscreen wiper blades that I've bought for the FJ in the past have creaked and groaned and whatever. These ones don't, so that's rather nice. Right, they've arrived. Let's see what we got. Well, there were two options. One was to order the genuine Toyota part, manufacturer part, just the one piece for 27 bucks, or buy an entire kit of rip-off stuff for 40. So that's what I did. Let's see if it fits. Looks like they're colour-coded for idiots. I think this is the right side. Difficult to tell, actually. I think it is. Anyway, those kind of line up. So, should just pop into place, right? Yes, yes, I had it upside down. Anyway, they still line up. That easy, and there we have it, popped into place. Another 10-minute job on the FJ, start to finish. So there you have it, nice and simple job, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was useful. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe down here somewhere, of course, if you haven't already. You can encourage others to watch my lunacy.